I cracked an egg. Hi guys, today we're making brownies. Well, I'm mixing the butter that already has melted. Mix. And
1/4 teaspoon.
Sea salt.
Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Okay. Mix it.
1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
Mix together. Mixy. I did it! I cracked an egg. Can I do the other one? It's okay. It's eggs. I'm gonna mix it. What's the little? Yeah, a little disaster. That's okay though.
As long as you are.
As long as you are, I mean enjoying.
So mixing 2 large eggs.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a nice color. This is going to turn into a brownish color. This is so fun. Mash. I like mashing. Like a little yummy dessert. We're like chefs. We don't have vanilla, we have cinnamon ground. Then I'm gonna mix it. Mix. Together. We will mix it up. Mix. Now guys, I'm gonna mix this. It's gonna be good. Oh, this is humongous. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my little whisk and put it in. Put it in. My mom is my assistant. Mix. Oh, this almost looks like egg. It's still raw. I'm just gonna scoop it. Okay. Mix again. Oh, this is chocolate. I'm like almost mixing the flour and the wheat to make a wheat. Ugh. This is good. Mixy. So delicious. Oh, look at that. Isn't it nice? Mixing our chocolate yummy brownie. Mixing. Oh, all that mixing made me hungry. Now we had parchment paper and we put it on this thing. I'm still mixing the batter. Oops. Time to go in, time to go in, time to go in. This is it, our brownie. Guys, this is our brownie we made. We are gonna put it in the oven. 350 degrees. Yes. This is it, guys, our brownie. And we're about to eat it. Mom, I need your help.
I already ate a little bit of it.
You're sneaky.
No.
Good. I'm gonna be brown if I eat a lot. Ginger.